It's another wonderful day, guys. Dito ako nakabili ng murang second hand na sasakyan. Kaya tara, hanap na rin kita. For this episode, marami tayong sariwang units. 2026 Mitsubishi Expander Cross, 2026 Toyota Innova, 2026 Mitsubishi Mirage G4, murang L300 vans, Toyota Vios. This is a 2024 Mitsubishi Strada GLS mid-variant. This is a 2025 Mitsubishi X-Force GLS 1.5G 2-wheel drive CVT, Toyota Wigo, Artista van, Suzuki Carry. Kaya tara, umpisahan na natin ang paghahanap this week. Let's do this!
Watch Tito Rich.
Let's do this and watch Tito Rich.
Let's do this and watch Tito Rich.
Let's do this and watch Tito Rich.
We are at Security Bank Stockyard, guys. 109 Marcos Alvarez Avenue, Talon 1, Las Piñas City. Umpisahan natin sa 7-seater. The best-selling MPV in the Philippines. This is a 2026 Wasaring-Wasari Toyota Innova 2.8 XE diesel automatic transmission. Missing lang ang tools. Murang-mura lang yan sa Shopee. Silver metallic one color, 23,905 lang ang mileage. DCD 3008. Non-NCR registered pero Luzon lang yan. Santa Rosa registered lang yan na unit. Diesel engine ito. 909,500 pesos minimum bid price. Yan. Steel rims. Yokohama Blue Earth tires na E70. Around 90% red life pa naman. Kapal-kapal pa. May dalawang RFIDs, rain visors. Ayos pa ang front grille, front fascia. Hindi pa nag-pop ang tow hitch. Yan ang unang-una yung titingnan dapat. Kasi pag nakita nyo pa lang na nag-pop yan, pwedeng deal breaker na agad yun. Steel rims lang, so naka-hubcap. Okay na yan. Kung hindi ka maarte, maganda na yan. Rain visor sa loob. No signs of soil stains. Ibig sabihin, hindi binaha. Very basic. Infotainment, stereo, manibela. Ka-plastic pa ang kanyang visor. So, second row seats, kung naaninag nyo, okay pa naman. Walang stains, walang sira. Rear cams na HD. Rear wipers. Wala ring gas-gas yung rear bumper, oh. Innova. Shark fin antenna na right side. Makinis na unit. Wasaring-wasari talaga. Very nice unit. Uy, not applicable. Hindi siya encumbered, oh. Registered talaga sa first owner. Pero encumbered na to kasi napunta na sa bangko. Baka hindi lang na-update yung original LTO na documents. No signs of stains. Hindi to binaha. May dalawang RFID. Non-NCR nga lang pero Luzon registered unit pa naman yan, guys. Walang problema. Dali ipalipat sa pangalan ninyo. Poging unit, oh. Last look. This is the best selling, most sought after, pinakamataas na resale value na multi-purpose vehicle sa Philippines. This is a 2026 Toyota Innova 2.8 XE diesel automatic transmission. Missing lang ang tools. Okay lang yan, mura na yan sa Shopee. Silver metallic one color, 23,905 mileage, non-NCR registered. Santa Rosa lang yan guys, letter D. Diesel engine, 909,500 pesos minimum bid price from 1.4 million kasama insurance. Brand new price niyan guys. Tuloy-tuloy tayo dito. Mas mabilis ang ikot natin today. Ito, may Mitsubishi Mirage G4 up for bidding din ito this week. Yan, poging-pogi pa. Paborito ng mga pintor yan dahil madaling ipantay ang level ng pintura. Hanapin ko lang sa aking list ang DBR 6683. Check. This is a 2025 sariwa din. Mitsubishi Mirage G4 JLX 1.2G CVT automatic transmission, missing tools and spare tire. Sino kaya nagbenta? Titanium gray metallic color, 23,409 mileage. Di na naman. So bandang Laguna lang ito. Batangas or Cavite. Gas engine, 380,000 minimum bid price. Now selling brand new at 900,000 na to guys, yung Matic na Mitsubishi Mirage. Maayos pa yung front grille and front fascia. Light scratches, front bumper. Gulong, makapal pa naman. 23,000 pala ang tinakbo. Around 80% red life pa yan. May rain visors ka ng libre from first owner. Rear bumper, sariwang sariwa. Never been touched, never been bumped. Paborito nating antena, yung mahaba. Yan ang best antena. The longer, the better. Left side panels, walang gasgas, walang bangga. Front bumper lang. Light scratches. Non-NCR registered. Running, hindi nagpop ang tow hitch. Wala rin ako nakikitang RFID oh. Mukhang hindi pa ito na isasalta sa Manila. Last look, this is a 2025 Mitsubishi Mirage G4 JLX 1.2G CVT. Missing lang ang tools and spare tire. Bili na lang kayo. Titanium gray metallic, 23,409 mileage. Non-NCR registered pero within Luzon lang to. Gas engine, 380,000 lang minimum bid price. Tuloy tayo sa iba pa na up for bidding this week. Buwan ng Mayo. Mayo, tag-ulan, tag-araw, nag-aagaw-agaw. Tuloy natin ang mga up for bidding this week dito sa cluster ng mga Toyota. 3359 Mitsubishi Mirage G4 up for bidding to this week guys. This is, napin ko lang sa list, sandali lang po, mga viewers and subscribers. This is a 2024 Mitsubishi Mirage G4 JLX 1.2G CVT automatic transmission, titanium gray metallic color, 16,392 mileage, CCF, Central Luzon yan, Pampanga area. Gas engine, 326,800 minimum bid price. Quality, 90% red life, stock mugs and stock tires pa yan. Na Yokohama Blue Earth. May rain visors na rin. Tinangkang baklasin. Hindi nagtagumpay, tinamad na si first owner. Sabi, sayo na lang yan. May 2 RFIDs. Hindi pa nagpop ang tow hitch. Birhen na birhen, hindi na tow. At na-surrender rin ito ng matiwasay. Kompleto pa lahat ng gulong, stock mugs and stock tires, rain visors. Front bumper makinis. Walang bangga, di tulad nitong katabi. Ayan o. Siya ay makinis. May mahabang antena. Scratch ba to? Ayun, dumi lang. Pati rear bumpers, so makinis din guys. Very smooth rear bumpers. Right panels. Yun, may light scratch dito. Hindi na matanggal. Ito rin, scratch. Pwede pa sa maselan. May stains yung kanyang seats pero no signs of flooding. Baka meron lang pet or makalat lang talaga yung passenger ni first owner. Last look. This is a Central Luzon registered unit. CCF 3359 is a 2024 Mitsubishi Mirage G4 GLX 1.2G CVT automatic transmission, titanium gray metallic color, 16,392 mileage, non-NCR registered gas engine, 326,800 pesos minimum bid price. Yan. Okay, Toyota uli. Saan ba yung mga Toyota na yan? Nakita ko na yan kanina. May isang grayish blue mica metallic at isang silver metallic. Dito lang yan kanina eh. Alam kong maraming may gusto. Toyota Vios. Sir, Toyota Vios naman dyan. Eto na po. Hinahanap na natin ang inyong paboritong Toyota Vios. DBH 5509. Saan ko ba nakita yun? Hirap pag maraming sasakyan guys eh, no? Kakalito. 681. DCA 6659. Ayun, ito pala siya. This is a Toyota Vios 2025 1.3 XLE CVT automatic transmission, grayish blue mica metallic, 2,764 lang mileage, oh. Non-NCR registered, gas engine, 595,000 minimum bid price from 900,000 a brand new price. Fog lamps, check. Hindi nagpop ang tow hitch, check. Good indicator yan. Yokohama stock tires and stock mugs. Two-tone na yung stock mugs, so poging-pogi. Rain visors. Parang naging minimum requirement na to, no? Lalo na ngayon pag tag-ulan. Dapat naka-rain visors ka na. Blue, medyo subtle lang na kulay. Kung ayaw nyo nung nagsusumigaw na pula. Siyempre, ayaw rin natin nung kulay black kasi hindi mo kita sa dilim. Kaya in between, nandyan yung blue, nandyan yung silver. Yan yung magagandang kulay. Two-eyed sensors and rear cams na high definition. Meron na rin shark fin antenna. Silipin natin sa loob. No signs of soil stains. Religiously first owner. So sana hindi tiniranta. DO ang inyong sasakyan. Gandang indicator yan pag religiously first owner. Light scratches, quarter panel. Medyo halata. Other parts of the unit, wala namang scratches na major, pati bumpers. Yun lang, quarter panel. Hindi halata, pwede pa sa maselan. This is a 2025 Toyota Vios 1.3 XLE CVT automatic transmission, grayish blue mica metallic, 2,764 mileage, non-NCR registered pero within Luzon lang, gas engine, 595,000 pesos minimum bid price from a 900,000 peso brand new price yan guys. Ayos na tayo dito. Tawirin na natin ang kabilang side ng stockyard. Well, I'm flashing on your screens guys habang naglalakad-lakad tayo dito sa stockyard. Other units of Mitsubishi Mirage G4 na up for bidding this week. Uy, may 7-seater tayong nadaanan. Natingnan ko sa list ko habang dumadaldal sa inyo. This is up for bid this week guys. This is NJR 1061. NJR 1061. $83. Sorry, hindi pala. Pero may expander cross guys na quartz white pearl. 920,000 pang minimum bid price. GBF, ito ba yung blue? Grayish blue. DCA eh. So hindi siya. Flash ko na lang on your screens guys yung isang Toyota Vios na up for bidding din this week. Silver eh. 40A 61B. $61B. 42A. Di na natin nahanap. Flash ko na lang your screens. Details ng Toyota Vios up for bid this week. Silver color. Habang tinatawid natin ang iba pang units na up for bidding this week. Flashing on your screens yung iba pang Mitsubishi Mirage G4 up for bid this week. So hindi yan lahat up for bid this week guys. Yung selected units lang ang up for bidding. Yung mga ready na ang documents, pwede na i-gate pass. After 1 week nire-release nila ang gate pass. Then pwede nyo nang mailabas dito sa stockyard ang unit. Once you are fully paid, they will give you the gate pass after 1 week. This is another unit up for bid this week. NKJ 3024. Butas-butas ang mga bezel eh. Pati pa bezel binibenta. Wala namang bibili niyan. Kailangan full set yan eh. 3024. This is 3024. This is a 2024 Mitsubishi Mirage G4 GLS pala ito. Uy. Mid variant 1.2 GCVT automatic transmission, damage front bumper, left front fender, rear bumper, right rear door, right front door, cool silver metallic color, 48,971 mileage, NCR registered na gas engine, 342,000 lang. Oh, minimum bid price. GLS na, papalitan nyo lang ng fender, papalitan nyo lang ng bezel, light scratches, front bumper, hindi pa nag-pop ang tow hitch. Ayun o, buong bezel, binaklas. Nabangga pala. May bangga rin guys. Ayun, kaya pa naman ipaayos. Tito Rich lang pala inaantay nito para maayos eh. Yun, may bump pala dito guys. Right door. Nakakalawang na. Paparepaint nyo lang naman yan. Sa loob, unang langhap. Mabango. Mabango ang pabango ni first owner or driver. Ayun, may dalawang RFID cards pa dito. Oh, ano na naman itong binaklas? Maayos naman ang loob, no signs of flooding. GLS yan guys ha. Push the button dapat to ha. Ba't kaya hindi naka-push button? Gulong niya 80% red light. Uy, may rear cams na. GLS na, may rear cams na. Yun, grabe lang ang scratches dito sa rear bumper, guys. Yan ang ipaparepaint ninyo. Yun, maraming scratches. Full body na to, hilamos. Hindi pa nagpop ang tow hitch. Okay naman yung second row seats. Kaya lang GLS to. Ayun, yun pala, push button, guys. Push start button is here. Oh, aircon vents din. Baklas. Baka nilagyan ng mga accessories. Sa likod. Oh, yay. Wala na ring tools at spare tires. Spare tire. Binenta. Dami yung bibiling accessories. Spare tire, repair bumper. Pero push button to start na to, guys. Walang mga bezel. May dalawang RFID, mabango naman, hindi nagpop ang tow hitch, hindi binaha. So, acceptable unit at this minimum bid price since this is a 2024 Mitsubishi Mirage G4 GLS. Push button to start ito, guys. 1.2G CVT automatic, damage front bumper, fender, bumper, right rear door, right front door. O, dun pa pala sa door, no, meron ng kinakalawang na scratch. Cool silver metallic, 48,971 mileage. NCR registered, gas engine, 342,000 minimum bid price. That's a GLS unit na. Oh, ito muna tayo. Pansinin daw natin siya. Hey, nagtatawag. This is a red Mitsubishi Mirage G4 NLD. Hanapin ko lang sa aking list. Up for bid ba siya today? Ayun, 1325 is a 2026. Uy, siya pala ang pinakasariwa dito. Mitsubishi Mirage G4 GLX 1.2G CVT automatic transmission. Mitsubishi Motors Philippines financing, red metallic color, 2096 mileage, NCR registered, gas engine, 564,000 minimum bid price. Guys, 900,000 na rin ang bagong Mitsubishi Mirage na automatic as of this year dahil wala nang support from the government. Tinanggal na. Nilaral Recto. Ganda nung bagong gulong ng 2026, oh. Two-tone na. Meron ng rain visors, bezel pa rin. Kaya pala ito kasing GLS meron tong fog lamps eh. Binaklas pala yung fog lamps, oh. Binenta yung fog lamps. To GLX wala pa siyang fog lamps. So yun, may rosary din. May takot sa Diyos ang unang may-ari. Yokohama stock tires and mags ang kanyang gulong. Mahabang antena, mas gusto ko yan kaysa sa shark spin. Very basic Mitsubishi Manila Bay ang kasa ng unit. Ganda nung talaga, 2026, parang may garnish na siya na black. Makinis, right side, rear bumper, rain visors, hindi nagpop ang tow hitch, may mga bezel pa, halos wala ring scratch. Makinis na unit. Wasari, ika nga. So this is the NLD 1325 NLD 1325 is a 2026 Mitsubishi Mirage G4 GLX 1.2G CVT automatic transmission, MMFP, red metallic, 2096 mileage, kaya pala low mileage. NCR registered, gas engine, 564,000 minimum bid price. Sobrang kapal pa ng gulong, around 95% red line. parang design, may tama ng bala. Butas-butas. Ewan ko kung design, tingnan natin. This is NJQ 4757. NJQ 4757. Buti na lang hindi siya up for bid this week. 7-seater na up for bid this week. Ito, pampamilya. This is a Mitsubishi Expander NHT 2324 is a 2025 Mitsubishi Expander Cross 1.5G 2-wheel drive automatic transmission, graphite gray metallic color. 13,000 mileage, NCR registered, gas engine, 788,500 minimum bid price. Tama ba? NHT 2324. Okay. Graphite gray. Parang black no? Dark na gray. Front bumper, medyo marami lang scratches. Yun. Fenders, bongbo. Chrome door handles, push button. Mini roof rail. Ano nga pala to? Cross. Rain visors. Silipin ang loob. Ang ganda ng seats. Walang sign of soil stains. Ang ganda ng infotainment system. Shining ang roof rail. Naka shark's fin antenna na. May rear cams ka na. Rear wipers, expander cross. Makinis din ang rear bumper and rear side panels. Right side panels, makinis. Ayan kumikintab. Walang gas-gas. Yung front bumper lang. Madalas sigurong masagi si first owner. Gulong makapal pa. Stock mugs and stock tires around 90% red life. Ito nga tayo. Yun lang talaga, front bumper ang kanyang minor lang naman na issue. May mga scratches. This is a 2025 Mitsubishi Expander Cross 1.5G 2-wheel drive automatic, graphite gray metallic, 13,173 mileage, NCR registered, gas engine, 788,500. Minimum bid price from 1.4 million, brand new price. Good luck sa ating mga bidders. Mga murang pick-up naman tayo guys na up for bid this week. This is a Mitsubishi Strada. Details, eto na. This is a 2024. Uy, yung cut-off bago maging Mitsubishi Triton, ang mga pick-up ng Mitsubishi. This is a 2024 Mitsubishi Strada GLS. Mid-variant pala to. 2.4D, 2-wheel drive automatic transmission, dead battery, graphite gray metallic, 72,098 mileage, NCR registered. Diesel engine, 800,000 na lang minimum bid price. 1.5 to 1.8 million na to guys, yung mga pick up ngayon. 1.5 manual lang yata yun 1.8 million ang mga automatic na pick up ngayon. Dahil sa train law, sino na naman ang may pakana? Alam nyo na. Light scratches, front bumper, tiknan tumama kay Mitsubishi Mirage. 2 RFIDs, rain visors, push button to open, pero low bat nga to kaya hindi to mag-o-open, nakalock. Kailangan ng susi. No signs of soil stains, hindi to binaha. Oy, maraming butas-butas ang kanyang pickup bed. Pero not too many scratches, I would say. Dahil lang sa mga butas kasi nilagyan to ng pickup top cover Tapos pinabaklas, baka binenta ni first owner. So dahil sa mga butas-butas, ayun oh, napunit pa yung dulo na part. I would say this is 5 out of 10 na lang ang kanyang pickup bed rating. Dahil puro ano nga, butas-butas from the previous top cover. Yun, marami ring bumps and scratches. May butas pa itong part ng bumper, right side. May mga dents and deformities na itong middle side ng bumper. MI-VEC, clean diesel. Matipid din sa diesel ito guys. Parehang-pareho ng Mitsubishi Montero Sport ang makina nito. Stock mugs and stock tires pa. Bridgestone Dweller. Highway terrain. This is a 265/60 R18. Perfect na perfect sa mga pickup. Marami lang gas-gas guys. Ito yung front bumper. Oh, may libre na kayong ano, basahan. Yun kasi ang hirap pag black or dark colors. Like for this one, this is gray. So, ayun, hirap lang i-maintain. Graphite gray metallic. Very close to black. Dito tayo sa kabilang side. For our last look, this is a 2024 Mitsubishi Strada GLS. Push button to start to guys. 2.4D. 2-wheel drive automatic transmission. Dead battery lang. Baka may naka-on lang na ilaw sa interiors yan eh. Nakakakos kasi yun na maubos, madrain yung battery nyo. Graphite gray metallic. 72,098 mileage. Sisiyo na sisiyo yan sa diesel engine. NCR registered na. Diesel 800,000 minimum bid price. 1.8 million na ang brand new price. 1 million ang natipid nyo. Pero may mileage nga lang. Yan ang mga murang 7-seater. Up for bidding this week guys. Puting-puti. Most sought after color ito ng mga expander. 083. B. This is a 2026. Also, Mitsubishi Expander Cross 1.5G 2-wheel drive. Automatic transmission, Mitsubishi Motors. Financing Philippines. Quartz white pearl with black roof. Two-tone ito guys. 5,533 mileage. NCR registered na gas engine 900. 20,000 pa. Minimum bid price. Mataas pa no. Pero 1.4 million naman to. Brand new price. Pwede try mo. Dagdagan mo ng 1,000 sa minimum bid. Baka ikaw manalo. Kasi yung mga buy and sell and yung mga reseller nito, baka ganun lang rin ang kuha eh. Pero kung end user ka, yun, mas may power ka makapag-bid ng mas mataas. Kasi ikaw mismo ang gagamit, hindi mo na ibibenta. Ganda ng front grille at front fascia guys. Light scratches lang. Yun, syempre hanapan natin ng honest issues, diba? Kaya nga kayo nanonood sa akin. Para makita nyo kahit hindi na kayo pumunta sa stockyard guys, just stay tuned and watch the videos and our vlogs weekly. Kikita nyo ng honest issues. Stock mugs, stock tires. Ganda oh. Roof rails, two-tone, push button, door handles. Ang ganda ng infotainment system, interiors, leather seats, synthetic lang yan, pero leather ang tawag nila. Plastic pa ang kanyang mga visors. Ang ganda ng manibela, half leather, half plastic. Second and third row seats, no signs of soil stains. Expander cross, ito yung top of the line. May rear cams. Rear wipers, shark's fin antenna, rear spoilers, very poggy na unit, most sought after color pa. Oh, 99 to 2026 pa. Oh, religious pa si first owner. Hindi lang marunong magkabit ng sticker. Respect for bikers. Oh, ganda nito, bagong sticker. Mauna ka na, pangit ka naman. Pag ganyan, ayoko talaga mauna. Yaman na lang siya mauna. Last look, napaka-pogi na 2026 Mitsubishi Expander Cross 1.5G 2-wheel drive, automatic transmission, quartz white pearl with black roof, two-tone yan guys, 5,500 mileage, NCR registered, gas engine, 920,000 minimum bid price. Baka meron pa dito. Uy, nagtatawag, buy me. Forbidding ka na ba? 971A. Si 971A, tinatawag tayo eh. 791A is up for bidding guys. This is a 2025 Mitsubishi Expander Cross din pala ito. 1.5G 2-wheel drive, automatic transmission, green bronze metallic, 11,222 mileage, NCR registered, gas engine, 780,200 minimum bid price. Ayun, mas mababa dun sa 2026. Syempre, mas older model. Light scratches, front bumper. Yan yung mga honest issues na pinapakita sa inyo ni Tito Rich every week. Light scratches, fenders. Ay, manipis na rin ang gulong. Around 70% red light. Chrome door handles. Chrome side mirrors. Parang natutuklap no yung mga stickers. Sobrang init dito sa stockyard. 2 RFIDs. Silipin natin sa loob. No signs of soil stains. Ang ganda ng synthetic leather seats. Rear panels. Ay, puro gas-gas oh. Here comes PW people with disability. Dapat persons with disability to eh. Rear wipers, spoilers, shark fin antenna. Yun lang guys, so puro gas-gas yung ano niya. Parang may sinisilid silang bakal or matulis dito sa likod na compartment. Baby on board, baka yung stroller ng baby to. Galing ng theory ano. Light scratches, right side ng bumper. Children on board, baby on board, PWD on board, lahat sinakay na ni first owner. Ba't kaya hindi nabayaran? Sayang naman. Kaya nandito tayo para maghanap ng murang repossessed na sasakyan. Eto na guys, up for bid na. Si NKN 2996 is a 2025 Mitsubishi Expander Cross 1.5G 2-wheel drive, automatic transmission, green bronze metallic. Yung sawa na sa black, gray, silver, red. Ayan, maganda tong green bronze metallic. 11,222 mileage, NCR registered, gas engine, 780,200 minimum bid price. Yan, good luck sa mga bidders this week. More 7-seaters up for bid this week. Pinakamabentang sasakyan overall sa buong Philippines last 2025. This is a Mitsubishi Expander na 2024 GLX 1.5G 2-wheel drive, automatic transmission, graphite gray metallic, 12,325 mileage, NCR registered na, gas engine, 622,500 lang minimum bid price. NHA 4973, check, ito na nga yun. Ang kinis ng front grille and front fascia, hindi pa nagpop ang tow hitch oh. May dalawa ng RFIDs, rain visors, gulong, 12,000 mileage, Dunlop stock tires and mugs, pogi ng mugs oh, two-tone, around 90% red life. Dunlop, pogi ng mugs. Rear camera check, rear wipers, shark fin antenna. Expander. Sa loob, Walang soil stains ang seats at ang floor carpets. May plastic pa. Adhesive ang infotainment system. Alagang alaga ni first owner. Dunlop and a Save. Stock tires pa yan, guys. Puro scratch ng susi. Ayan. Pero yung body, walang visible scratch, guys. Very nice unit. Rear cam. All you need. Rear bumpers. No visible scratch or dents. Ayan, sticker lang yan, guys. Parang tape. Very nice unit. Mid variant of the 2024 Mitsubishi Expander GLX 1.5G two-wheel drive automatic transmission, graphite gray metallic color, 12,325 mileage, NCR registered na, gas engine, 622,500 minimum bid price. Automatic transmission is around 1.2 million, brand new price. Yan, check na natin dito sa ating list. Yun, and marami pang Mitsubishi Mirage G4, guys, up for bidding this week. Like this one, 240A, flash ko na lang on your screens yung iba pang Mitsubishi Mirage G4 up for bid. Faith can move mountains, Matthew 17:20. Oo nga naman. Sheena Marie, up for bidding ang van ni Sheena Marie this week. This is up for bidding this week, guys. This is a Suzuki Carry 2025 cab and chassis, manual transmission, white color, 24,224 mileage lang, NCR registered na, gas engine, 456,500 minimum bid price. Yan, no, wala namang gas-gas ang bumper. 2 RFIDs, check. Gulong niya makapal pa. Ay, ba't ito manipis na? Kung binenta ang gulong. Yung likod, guys, makapal pa. Yung harap, ano na eh, pud na, around 40% to 50 tread life. Sa loob, amoy manong driver. Buo pang mga seats. Ayan, kita nyo naman. May plastic pa. Flooring. Hindi pa kinakalawang. Oh, low mileage lang to eh. Yun, manual transmission. May stereo, Pioneer. Plastic pa ang kanyang mga visors. Maintenance booklets, check. Ganda pala ng interiors ng ano, no. Yan, manual transmission. At ang makina, andito yan, guys. Ayaw. Yun, last look. This is a Japanese van pero gas engine. Mas mura ang gas, mas efficient, mas madali rin pumasa sa smoke belching test. This is a 2025 Suzuki Carry cab and chassis, manual transmission, white color, 24,224 mileage, NCR registered, gas engine, 456,500 pesos minimum bid price. Yan. Ay, umaaraw na naman. Tapos makulimlim. Maya. Flash ko ulit, guys, yung iba pang Mitsubishi Mirage G4 na up for bidding this week para wala kayong ma-miss out. Alam niyo na yan ang for bidding. Hindi kasi lahat for bidding, guys. ang ating madadaanan. Ikutan natin, pakita natin yung mga honest issues sa inyo. This is NIS 8427. NIS 8427 is a 2024 Mitsubishi Mirage G4 GLX 1.2G CVT automatic transmission, titanium gray metallic color, 63,381 mileage, NCR registered na gas engine, 304,000 na lang minimum bid price. Oh. Front bumper pinangharabas, puro gasgas. Di pa nagpop ang tow hitch, which is a good indicator na hindi na tow ang unit. Pero ayan, oh, puro gasgas yung front bumper. UP yung quarter panel. Gulong is manipis, around 60% red life. May rain visors na. Pati ba naman antena? Kinuha. Wala ng antena. Rear bumper. Ano nangyari dito? Nilagyan ng ano, parang sandpaper na sticker. Decals. Repainted and with scratches and bump. Repainted din to. Sa loob, naka ano pa, deep dish matting. Pero dilapidated lang. Pero mahal yung deep dish matting, guys. Plastic pa infotainment system. 2 RFIDs. Dumadaan sa teritoryo natin. Las Piñas. Friendship sticker. Ang daming stuffed toy sa likod. Mukhang merong baby and child. Repainted, guys, yung some parts of the rear panels. And disaligned ang kanyang front bumper. Also maraming gasgas at bangga. 8427 is a 2024 Mitsubishi Mirage G4 GLX 1.2G CVT titanium metallic color, automatic transmission, 63,381 mileage, NCR registered na gas engine, 304,000 minimum bid price. Marami ka lang ipapagawa. Pero kung kaya mong ibid, tsaka mo na lang ipagawa, di ba? May tumatakbo ka na ano, na unit. Not bad. Flashing on your screens yung iba pang Mitsubishi Expanders na up for bid this week. Yan. Marami-rami yan. Maraming expander yun. Flashing on your screens, guys. Other Mitsubishi Expanders up for bidding this week. Yan. 641B. Check lang natin kung may makita pa tayo at may mahanap na mga expanders, guys. Kasi marami nagpapahanap nito pampamilya nga naman, di ba? Yan, flashing lang on your screens, guys. Other Mitsubishi Expanders na up for bidding this week. 634B. Yun. This is up for bid, guys. Si 634B. Yan. Is a 2026. Uy! As sariwa as it can get. Mitsubishi Expander GLX 1.5G 2-wheel drive, automatic transmission. Mitsubishi Motors Financing Philippines pala to. Jet Black Mica, 11,817 mileage, NCR registered na gas engine, 800,000 pa. Minimum bid price, sariwa nga naman, guys. This is around 1.3 million, brand new. Ang ganda na ng front fascia, parang ano, G-Tour. Bis na mag-upgrade na gaya yung China cars, no? Ang ganda nga naman talaga ng mga G-Tour, guys, ng mga sasakyan. Yan lang, yung mga parts, diba? Doon tayo worried, kaya gusto natin Japanese. At yung mga long years of tested and known reputation ng mga brands tulad niyan, Mitsubishi, Toyota, Nissan, Honda. Yan yung ating pinagkakatiwalaan sa Pilipinas. Front grille, front fascia, perfect na perfect. Gulong, ganda ng stock tires and stock mugs. So Dunlop and a Save EC 300 plus 205 55 R17 tires, perfect for 7-seater yan. 2 RFIDs, rain visors. Ngayon ko lang dito black, guys, nakakatakot talaga yan yung black paggabi. Kahit ako magugulat na lang ako, may katabi ako na black na sasakyan, ilaw na lang nakikita mo eh. Rear wipers, rear cams, poging pogi, high definition. Toyota Otis ang kasa ng unit. Ganda, napakasariwang unit pa nito. Swerte ng mga kabid, though medyo mataas pa ang minimum bid price. 634B. This is the 634B unit. Right side panel sa loob, may tint na oh. Ganda ng seats. No signs of soil stains. In Tagalog, hindi binaha. Fog lamps, poging-pogi na unit. NLC is a 2026 Mitsubishi Expander GLX 1.5G two-wheel drive automatic transmission, jet black Mica color, 11,817 mileage, NCR registered gas engine, 800,000 pesos minimum bid price. 1.3 million yan, guys. 1.4. Tuloy tayo. More 7-seaters. Kung naghahanap ka ng 7-seater at patapat ka dito sa episode this week, ang swerte mo dahil ang daming murang 7-seater up for bid this week, guys. Nandito tayo sa Security Bank Stockyard. This is along Dr. A. Santos Avenue, Barangay San Antonio, Parañaque City. Ito yung up for bid na Toyota Wigo this week. This is a Toyota Wigo 2024. Toyota Wigo 1 liter G IVCVT automatic transmission. Small dents on back door, deep scratches on front bumper. Yellow color. Dilim kasi, guys, kaya kailangan aninagin ko tong nasa list ko. 40,457 mileage, non-NCR registered, gas engine. 433,500 minimum bid price. Ayan. So, ang issue niya, guys, honest declaration ni Security Bank ay maliliit na dents, back door, deep scratches, front bumper. Yan. Let's check it out. Yan, no? Meron nga mga light scratches sa front bumper. Pero front grille, front fascia, yun ang dami. Mga light scratches. Ay, basag din pala itong fog lamps, guys, na isa. Yan, yung mga honest issues na dinideclare natin pag naiikot natin ng mga stockyards, guys. Kasi kahit honest na yung declaration ni bank, meron pa rin tayong nakikita ng mga ibang issue. Iba pa rin talaga yung may due diligence at bibisitahin mo talaga yung stockyard. Diba? Ayan, no? So, ayan. Kailangan mo bumili ng part na yan. Magkano kaya yan? Bagong-bagong unit pa naman to. 2024. Toyota Wigo. Ayan, yan yung mga scratches na declared ni Security Bank. Pero ito hindi na declared, guys. Basag, oh. Fog lamps. Hindi pa nagpapantow hitch, so ibig sabihin running unit. Hindi na tow, hindi binaha. May camera dito. From first owner. Kapal pang gulong, oh. Stock mugs and stock tires. Around 80% red life. Unang langhap sa loob. Mabango naman. May mga stains lang sa seats, sa upuan. Oo nga, no, meron soil stains. So, posible guys na binaha. Pero, hindi amoy kulob eh. Baka short term lang yung pagkabaha sa kanya. Infotainment system. Hindi naman lahat ng parts may soil stains. Pero, noticeable eh. Posible naman. Mild lang na baha. Yan, tinanggal na yung mga seat covers. Walang seat stains, pero may slight soil stains tayong nakita sa floor carpets. Rain visors, marami ring garnish. Toyota Wigo G. Yun, may 2-eyed sensors, may step seal. Wala lang tong rear cams, pero may rear wipers. Dumi lang yung kanyang rear storage. Ayun, may spare tire. 175/65 R14. Tools nasa ilalim yan ng seats. Daming garnish. Dito ba ang jack? Ayun, nandun yung jack guys. Nandun ba? Ay, wala na yung jack and tools. Walang jack and tools, guys. Sa rear side, makinis, maayos. Yun lang. Light scratches, front bumper, and one side nung fog lamps. Kailangan palitan. Last look, this is a 2024 Toyota Wigo 1.0G CVT automatic transmission, small dents and scratches, back door, deep scratches on front bumper, yellow color, 40,000 plus na ang mileage. Non-NCR registered gas engine, 433,500 na lang, minimum bid price. Brand new nito guys, nasa 800,000 pesos pa. Yan. Tuloy-tuloy tayo. May Toyota Vios dito. Up for bidding din ito this week. Ito ang Toyota Vios, Poging-poging unit din. Makinis na makinis. This is a Toyota Vios 20. Dilim talaga dito. Flash ko na lang details on your screens. Di ko mabasa, parang 2019. Sorry, 2025 Toyota Vios 1.3 XLE CVT automatic transmission, black one color, 12,195 mileage, non-NCR registered. Southern Luzon lang yan. Gas engine, 518,300 minimum bid price. Yan, busisiin natin. Kintab, Light scratches din ang bumper. Fog lamps, buo pa. Hindi pa nag-pop ang tow hitch. Pwede pa sa maselan yung kanyang scratches. Uy, napapadaan sa Las Piñas. May RFID, single RFID na yan guys. Pwede na kahit saan. Yokohama stock tires and mugs. Ito yung bagong edition guys. Two-tone na. 2025 DOT ang kanyang tires. Ayun, legit, hindi pinalitan. Left side panels, makinis. May shark fin antenna. Pag 2025, may 2-eyed sensors na yan, guys. And rear camera. Yun, light scratches. Toyota Vios. Yun, pwede pa sa maselan yung mga scratches niya, guys. Napaka-minor lang. Napakagandang unit, napakakinis. Sa loob, aninagin natin. Wala rin ako nakikitang signs ng soil stains. Kita naman yan sa fog lamps pag binahaw. Magba-brown yan dyan. Yun lang, ang minor issue lang. Light scratches sa front bumper. Very negligible and unnoticeable. Yun. This is a 2025 wasari Toyota Vios 1.3 XLE CVT automatic transmission, black one color. Yan sa dilim, halos di na makita. 12,000 plus lang ang mileage. Non-NCR registered, pero dito lang yan, Southern Luzon. Gas engine, 518,000 minimum bid price. Pinapainit ko lang, boss. Tapos tingnan ko rin yung ibang units. Mitsubishi X-Force, guys, up for bidding ito this week. This is a 2025 Mitsubishi X-Force GLS 1.5G two-wheel drive CVT. Automatic transmission. Mitsubishi Motors Finance Philippines. Deep scratches on front bumper, left rear fender, and door. Dent on right rear fender. Blade silver metallic with black roof. Two-tone ito, guys. 3,939 lang mileage. NCR registered na. Gas engine. 864,000 minimum bid price. Ayan. Light scratches, pero ang dami. Front bumper. Gulong, Hankook, stock mugs and stock tires pa. 3,000 lang mileage, pero parang manipis na. It's around 70% tread life. Donut tayo na dito sa likod. Ang na-flat, pinalitan. Conduction plate pa, pero may permanent plate na sa listing. Baka nasa loob lang to, or pwede nyo rin kunin sa kasa, guys. Mitsubishi X-Force. Rear wiper, shark fin antenna. Rear cameras. Wala pala tong sensors. Pero tama na yan. Okay na yung camera lang. Unang langhap, ayun, parang nababad. Okay naman second row seats. Wala tong third row seats. Ang ganda ng infotainment system, oh. Laki. 8 to 10 inch. Dami rin mga push button to start. Piano black ang kanyang mga linings, leather. Seats are canvas material. Mix of plastic and leather. Ang manibela, naka-plastic pa ang kanyang visor. So, yun, may signs lang talaga, guys, ng usage and slightly mukhang pinasok ng TV ito. And last look, this is a Mitsubishi X-Force 2025 GLS, push button to start, 1.5G, two-wheel drive CVT, automatic, deep scratches lang, front bumper, left fender and door. Blade silver metallic color with black roof, 3,939 lang mileage, NCR registered, gas engine. 864 minimum bid price. Flash ko na lang your screens guys, yung iba pang offer bid dito sa Parañaque Stockyard ng Security Bank. Artista van up for bidding this week. Ito guys, ano ba mas magandang view? Puro mangga kasi dito. Ganda pa nito ah. Ito yung Artista van guys na up for bidding this week. This is a 2025 kaya pala bago. Photon Traveler X automatic transmission, brown color, 5,906 mileage, BAG 9558, non-NCR registered. Diesel engine 945,000, minimum bid price almost 2 million pesos. Brand new price, fog lamps check, kinis pa ng front grille, front fascia, PDI passed, chrome door handles, TDI, matipid dito sa diesel. Kapal pa ng gulong, flat lang yung gulong sa likod, around 95% red life pa to. Rear mirrors, rear cams, 4-eyed sensors, rear wipers, ganda oh. Pakagandang unit. Traveler automatic transmission, automatic to. GT van, naka stock tires and stock mugs pa. Sarap pati oh, may mga window. Saya ang inyong mga passengers pag ganyan. Sa loob, no signs of soil stains, hindi binaha. Maayos na unit, makinis na unit guys, walang issue. Last look, this is an Artista van 2025 year model Photon Traveler X. Automatic transmission, bihira yung van na automatic. Brown color, 5,906 mileage, kaya pala makapal pa yung gulong, around 95% red life pa. Non-NCR registered diesel engine, 945,000 pesos, minimum bid price from almost 2 million pesos, brand new price. Flashing on your screens guys, yung iba pang Mitsubishi L300 na up for bidding this week. Then meron ding H100 na up for bidding this week. This is a 2019 creamy white H100, dents and scratches all over the unit with dual aircon na manual transmission. Hyundai H100 NCR registered diesel engine. 80,000 minimum bid price. Yun 80,000 na lang. 369. NIS 2494, nandito to, nakita ko na. NKS, this is a 2025 guys, pang negosyo sa ating mga viewers na naghahanap ng Mitsubishi L300 2025. Ito 2.2D with FB body, dual AC, manual transmission, dents and scratches. Mitsubishi Motors Financing Philippines, polar white color, 26,000 mileage, NCR registered na diesel engine, 512,000 minimum bid price. Ayan 26,000 mileage, gulong niya around 80% red life pa. Maintenance booklets, may plastic pa yung middle seat. Front grille, front fascia, walang gas guys, walang bangga. Gulong, makapal pa yun, nakatint pa may plastic pa No signs of soil stains. Sa likod, tingnan natin, nandun pa ba ang mga upuan. Kapal ng tinta. Nagtatago yata dito si driver Ayun, buo pang mga upuan guys di pa kinakalawang. Sariwa, amoy sariwa. Almazora pala gawa nito. Tapat sa'yo. Diesel engine. Ito makapal pa. Last look. The 2025 Mitsubishi L300. Bagong-bago, sariwa. 2.2D with FE body, dual AC manual transmission, dents and scratches. Wala naman tayong nakita. Pasado kay Tito Rich. Wala oh. Wala. Minor. Pwede sa maselan. 26,000 mileage and NCR registered. Diesel engine 512,000 minimum bid price from 900,000, a brand new price. Cherry Tigo na red, may up for bidding din this week. Ito hindi red pero ganyan din yon. Flash ko na lang on your screens. Along with other Mitsubishi L300s up for bidding this week. Akala ko wala nang MG doon. Nandito na pala yung mga MG. Nissan Livina. May Nissan Livina na up for bidding this week guys eh. Flash ko na lang on your screens. Merong 786 minimum bid price at 586 yung Royal Blue. Minimum bid price. Ayan. Nissan Livina. Flashing on your screens yung iba pang units na up for bidding this week. Yung silver 681B 681B, ito pala yun. Pahabol guys, yung hindi ko nahanap kanina. DCA ang plate, correct. This is a 2025 Toyota Vios 1.3 XLE CVT automatic transmission. Silver metallic one color, 25,000 and 325 mileage. DCA, non-NCR registered. Gas engine 510,000 lang, minimum bid price. Bacoor, Cavite lang. Registered na units. 2 RFIDs. Front grille. Di pa nagpop ang tow hitch. Maayos ang fascia. Plastic lang yan. Ganda tong sticker na to. Pag susi nga naman hindi magagasgas. Tulad nung isa kanina, di ba? Ang daming gasgas nakita natin. Rain visors. Ang ganda ng gulong ng bagong Toyota Vios, 2-tone na. Yokohama stock tires and stock mugs. Kapal pa 95% red life pa. May step seal na rin si first owner. Pogi. May rear cams, 2-eyed sensors. Shark fin antenna. Boto ng poong Nazareno, Mama Mary, 2 RFIDs. Last look. One of the best-selling sedans in the Philippines. Kahit sabihin yung napaka-basic at wala masyadong creature comforts, ganun talaga ang Toyota. Mura kasi ang parts, madali ipa-repair. This is a 2025 Toyota Vios 1.3 XLE CVT automatic transmission, silver metallic, 25,325 mileage, non-NCR registered pero Luzon lang yan. I mean Southern Luzon. Gas engine 510,000 minimum bid price from 900,000 pesos. Ang brand new price niyan guys. Halos 40% ang naititipid ninyo kung magbibid kayo. That's it for the Las Piñas Stockyard. Until next week. Sana hindi pa maulan. Pero ito rin yung tamang panahon, no? makulimlim, maliwanag, ang ganda ng lighting. See you next week, guys. Thank you. God bless. Eid Mubarak. Hanggang sa susunod mong paghahanap ng pinapangarap mong sasakyan, yung swak sa budget, pasado sa misis at hindi ka ititirik, kita-kits uli sa ating weekly tagpuan sa susunod na Stockyard Showroom o kung saan mang gulong na umiikot, makinang umaandar, at pag-asang hindi pa naka-check engine. God bless.